In this tutorial, you'll learn how to get a free Norton Antivirus trial. This is useful for testing out the Norton Antivirus product before purchasing, as well as getting some free antivirus protection for 30 days. First, you're going to need to go to us.norton.com/downloads-trial-norton-antivirus. Scroll to the bottom of the page that loads and click on the Download Free Trial option. The file that you're going to download is about 160 megabytes in size, so it's going to take a few minutes to download depending on your connection speed. Once the download is finished, you need to click the file that appears at the bottom of the page in the Downloads bar. Then you need to click Run, followed by Yes if the user account control window appears. This doesn't happen on every computer. Now you need to click Agree and Install, and the program is going to start installing. Once the setup is complete, click Explore and you'll begin your 30-day Norton Antivirus trial. It's really that simple. You can now open the program and you're pretty much good to go. You now know how to get a free Norton Antivirus trial.